Shalom, ani Rachel. Anishma. I said, hello, my name is Rachel, and how are you? And a month ago, I would not be able to converse with you like that. Before I started learning Hebrew at the Rosen School of Hebrew, I was completely lost. I was taking classes here, there, everywhere, and nothing stuck in my head. So after my first class, it was ridiculous. It was crazy. I couldn't even believe it myself. I was recognizing the letters of the alphabet. I was able to sound out words, and the next day you're conversing in Hebrew. And the only way that happened was because of the teachers that they have at this Rosen School of Hebrew, the format that they use, because I'm a very visual learner. So if I can learn Hebrew, you can definitely learn Hebrew. I highly recommend to sign up at the Rosen School of Hebrew so we can converse together. Sign up and don't wait.